Man, we're just days away from the first gig at our new long-term BMF home. Let me tell you what's been happening. All week we've been working hard on the HVAC system. The guys have been up in the mezzanine building what are called sound boxes to make sure that all of that great songwriting music that's coming out of the Rock Write and Record room, the drum studio, well, it doesn't leave it, right? Because we don't want to come up, bother our neighbors. Dig it. By the way, look at how amazing this Rock Write and Record studio looks now. Fully painted, outlet covers in. Look at our drum studio. What? Double doors, looking good. How about a door handle like that? Wait, where's my door handle? Fancy. Okay, continuing to go down here. That's my brother Lidge. He's in town to help us wire the main stage. Wait, I'm gonna show you in a minute. Lidge, let's step over there so we can see the kitchen.
Check it out.
What? Espresso, anyone? Okay. No, that's a fridge. Okay, let's take a look here. Electricians are putting in our lighting. You can see the nice little track lighting. That's amazing. Wait for it. Yeah, that's a water fountain. We have a water fountain. That's important. You guys know it. Here's some of that lighting finished in the new Mini Key studio. Incredible. And of course, here's where we're going to be this weekend on the new main stage. Dig it. The truss has gone up. The guys are getting that finalized. This week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we're going to be wiring this whole thing up, laying the carpet, cleaning this joint up, getting ready for you. Saturday night, right here, 495 Carroll. You got to believe.